candidates submit nominations for district council elections highlight key issues. Independent candidate Lambor Malnyang, contesting from Nongkrim, emphasized the need to strengthen the sixth schedule. BJP's Daniela Nonglat, running from Maulai, expressed concern over the low representation of women in the district council. BJP's Kinsaibor Lingdo from Malki Latyumkra called for an anti-defection law, while Fairlock D. Ringsai from Nong Thamai also filed his nomination. Congress candidate George C. Sun from Mauplang Dingyay emphasized his aim to protect land rights and traditional governance.
Mikwa panyikren tak basyai kita no kalong ban penklan ya ki riti ki duster tiba mengikum kinong mikmat gila ya hagini ki bonteli ki snam
dia ngasai hakat ni kasihan ti ai lat no yang aku bilong kemi bangan rong mangalap pet ya ka district council Kaduna hakilong kemi bakin long member hakat district
kanong rim ka baningkong ya kalong ban tenek pensa ya ka jong kerpang jong ke rip kejat pendio jong ni ba kita ki kendau ki siap ki riti dustur jong ni but ka kongsan ya kalong ban dang penkup bor susho ya ki snong ki thau ya ki et ki hima de ki dor barkur but ki we
And now for